So a few days ago, Google released a new model which is called Nano Banana, and it's really time saver. A lot of graphic designers are using it for photo manipulation and color correction instead of Photoshop, but it's as 3D designers we can use it also for post processing and for generating ideas. But mainly, personally, I'm using it for post processing and doing the color correction for my products. And really, as you can see here, I used it for putting the GBL in real scene. However, I advise you to learn Photoshop and game because it will not replace completely Photoshop. You will require Photoshop to do some tasks. And in this video, I will share my experience with Nano Banana and how to do the post processing for your 3D renders. And as you can see here, a lot of trials. This is the GBL model that we have models in the channel. I will leave the link in the description. And here also another version, another version, another version. So enough talking, let's see how we can achieve that. Firstly, when you go to the official website, I'm using Gemini for that, but you can use a lot of third-party websites for opening the same Nano Banana model. When you go to this, it will see new try image editing. Let's try, and I will delete this and upload a new image. Okay, fine. Let's first try to upload this one. We model that already and render the GBL, but we are requesting it to put it in a real scene and do the compositing, of course. So let's say we put, and so firstly, this is my 3D render of GBL head, GBL speakers, and my request is to place in real scene, maybe room, and keep all details of the rendered product. That's it. Maybe putting it on bedroom table, and maybe let's try that first and see the result. All right, this result is fine. After a few seconds, it will generate the result for us. It's good, but nice. Let's make a close-up shot because it's not as close as we want. So nice result, but do close-up shot for the 3D model GBL speaker, and after that add little blur background with cinematic look, and prefer. Let's see what we will get. As you can see, this is the new result. I prefer to upload image again. It's good. We will request to zoom in more to the GBL speaker and keep all original details. Let's see. So after the third trial, it also doesn't make zoom in. So we may change the prompt. I will upload the image again. This is my 3D render of the GBL speaker. Can you change background to look more realistic? Optimize the final composition and keep all details of the original product. Okay, let's see. Let's wait a few seconds. and see what we will get now. So after trial number 4, it also keep the same image. What we will get now, I will start a new chat. So I started a new chat and choose the Nano Banana and upload the product again. Let's see. Let's upload all the 3. Let's now try this is my 3D render of JBL speaker. Can you enhance the image more and provide me more realistic render? Let's say more super hyper realistic 3D rendering. Let's try that. Awesome. So it's enhanced, I think, the texture of the fabric, and add here the light. I think, let's see what about the light. We have here, this is the original, but I think not that much difference, but it's good. Of course, you can add the post processing. You can change background and add vignette to the image. Let's try that. So awesome, amazing. Really, it's very fine. Okay, so let's try another product. This was the JBL. Let's try the AKG. So this is my 3D render of the microphone AKGB, and can you enhance the 3D render to look more professional and hyper super realistic? Professional. Okay, we can add more renders to. Okay, let's try to send that and see the result. Okay, so now this is the new result. Personally, I think it's not that much for the making enhancing the result. It maybe add few bump here, but it's still under improvement. And I think we can tell it to change background and add vignette effect. Do your best as professional 3D artist. Let's see what we will get now. And as I have mentioned before, if you are beginner in graphic designer, as I have mentioned, if you are beginner to graphic design, I prefer not to use ChatGPT or Gemini tools, only for having some information. But if you are beginner to graphic design, I encourage you to learn Photoshop, Blender, and some graphic tools until you reach good level. Then you can use these tools to help you, not to take an replacement for the softwares. Now, as you can see, it's changing. It's changed the background, and it's look professional. Let's try again. Change. I like it, but change background to look more hyper realistic. Do your best and show me your artistic vision. Let's see. We missed here the hyper. Not. Okay, so let's wait a few seconds. And as you can see, this is another image. It's so good. But it didn't change the background. It didn't change the background, so I prefer to change background and add another effect or optimize it for printing. Let's see. And as you can see, this is the result. It's fine, but there is a lot of dots. It's simulating the real cameras. But let's try another image. We have designed before these headphones, and this is mobile that we have modeled and designed in the channel. So now let's say, can you place the first? This is my 3D render of Moto Android phone. Can you change background and keep all phone details? Keep all phone or original phone details. Let's go. All right, so it didn't change the background, so I will type for it. I prefer to change the background and maybe place it on store and optimize the image for commercial. Let's start. Alright, amazing. So it put the phone on real store and it's good. And the blur is the background. As you can see, you can use Gemini or Nano model for post processing and for color correction. Let's try another. So as a 3D designer, tell me your experience with Nano or Gemini and how you use it for post processing or generating ideas or any image editing. Thanks a lot for watching this lesson. See you in another tutorial.